Friends, good morning. Today our class on the refraction of the lights. See what is the refraction? In the you have the experience around it. Suppose one of thing is fall on the any water tank, then you have some experience have that body come to the above of that water surface. These are the example of refraction, and already experience that one is at time of a sunset or sunrise. The sun will be like as a red and a oval shape. It means a circular shape. These are the reason of the refraction, and at the our stars are twinkling. It is also is an example of the refraction. Okay, then say today what are the refraction and what is its important importance and what is the phenomena on is depend on the refraction. Today I will learning about the refraction. What is that? Refraction of light. Optics, it means a study of light. That is the main thing. Okay, that's why today letting up the reflection of light. Suppose you take a two mediums, is a medium 1, this is the medium 2. When a ray of light is falling on the interface of these two medium, the ray of light is falling on the interference of the two medium, then this ray is passing through the interface of the two medium, then enter to the second medium. The light ray is a bended. Thus property we will call a refraction. If it is bend like it, but it is actual path is this is the actual path. But at the time of the light ray passing through the interface of the two mediums, then it enter the second medium, then its path is bended. This property we will call a refraction. It's called a refraction. And one more thing, it is the normal ray of interface of the these two medium. This is the normal ray is a perpendicular to the interface of the two medium. Then see a Snell scientist experiment on it refraction of light, and is experimentally two thing is saying that one is first one is it is the incident angle, it is the refracted angle. Okay, this is incident, is the reflected. See the incident of the ray and refracted ray. This is the refracted ray, is the incidency ray. Okay, this is the normal light, the interface between two mediums. Okay, see incident ray, refracted ray and normal ray. These three are in the same plane. First thing, Which one is the in the same plane? That one is a incident ray, a refracted ray, and a normal line. These three are in the same plane. Is the first law. Then second one is the ratio of sign of the incident by the sign of the refracted. The angle of the sign of incident, the angle of sign of refracted is a constant. That one is we will like as a n. That is we will like as a n. Suppose this take a medium n and medium 2. That's why this is right like as 2 1. This means the refracted ray medium 2 with respect to 1, medium of second one is respect to medium of 1. This is the second law of Snell law. This called is the Snell law. And then say if the n21 we will call a one more term, that one is a refracted index. The most important point is refracted index. Refracted index is nothing but a sin I by sin R. Okay, the most important term. This is refracted indicate. It is telling about the medium of second with respect to medium of 1. And then say if the medium of 1 with respect to 2, we will like as 1 by 2 1. This is also very important. If it is n12, this is n21, sorry 21. This is if we will write n12 is equal to 1 by n21. So this is a most important term. Then see if the 2 1 is greater than 1, it gives us to the value of is greater than 1. It means the I is greater than R. The I is greater than R. It means is the we will call I greater than R. It is called a rarer medium, a rarer optical medium. Okay, then I greater than R. If this refracted ray is away from the this normal ray. This is indicate this one. If it is when is occurred I greater than R. Whenever I greater than R is called a rarer optical medium. Medium. Then if the n21 is the less than 1, then it is alternately choose as R greater than I. In this case, the light ray is bent towards the normal ray. When it is occurred when R greater than I. It is occurred when I greater than R. This is the most important thing in the refracted ray. If this one is occurred, it is away from the a normal ray. This is occurred towards to a normal ray. These two things are important about it, and this form also important. Okay, this is the a refraction of light about something. Then you alternately go to some of example based on this refraction of the light. You say some example of the based on this refraction light. Now say If the this is taken as between the medium is the glass slab and this is the air, medium taken as 1, this is a medium taken as 2, this is medium alternately, then again air is the medium 1. If the one of light ray is incident on this interface, then the actual path of it is like it. Okay, this is the I. Then effect of the refraction, it goes to move to like this. It moves to like this. This is the R1. This is the I1. Then the right ray from glass medium to air, then again it goes to like the actual part, but it is taken as this direction. Now this is the angle of R2. This distance or this shift we will given as a lateral shift or displacement. See, when the in this example gives the R2, the angle of R2 equal to I1. It's the most important term is R2 is equal to I1. Whenever the light ray is interface of the one of its another different medium, then alternately this actual of the rays and after the medium through the medium, then it is emitted light ray. Emitted light ray is parallel to the actual ray. It means this emitted ray is parallel to the incident ray. It emitted ray is parallel to the incident ray. This is the one of example of the refraction of the light of the phenomena. Okay, this one. And see, another one is if take a tank of water. A tank of water. Then suppose without water the object is there. When it is point is without water, then it will light rays when observer is eye of observer is there, one of its middle point, it is the normal point. See, when the observer see the object when the without water is, okay, when the without water is, if the fill this water tank with water, then this object is moved to the upward direction up to this. Suppose take up to this. Now like this. This is because when it is object or object is rise to the upward when the with water. With the water. Without water, the body is at bottom. With water, the object is at the middle of the water tank. This is phenomena occurred by the refraction of light. So this is indicated if the water of the object it is actual distance is there, it is the appearance distance. So the appearance distance is less than of the actual distance. So the taken of the height is without water is H2, with water taken as H1. The refraction index N is defined as H2 by H1. This is also one of the important point of the our competitive examination. The in the case of the you defined N equal to sin I by sin R. Sin R. In this case, we define as H2 by H1. So most important type. Important term. And one more thing is the important point of the refraction of light is a optical density. Optical density. One more term is a mass density. Dear friends, do not confuse between these two terms. First one is a optical density, second one is a mass density. Simply the mass density we will define as m by v. It means the mass for the value. It just simply says. Then what is the optical density? Optical density is nothing but is the ratio of two speeds of the light ray. It means speeds of medium 1 by speed of medium 2. It is indicating optical density means speed of medium 1 to speed of medium 2. It is gives the ratio of velocity of the light ray in the two mediums. It is mass for a particular volume. This is the difference between optical density and the mass density. Then suppose taken as a turpentine oil and water. Turpentine oil and water. See, it is the mass density. The mass density. Turpentine oil is low. Then is high. Then optical density. It is high. It is low. So most important point is the comparing of the optical density and mass density between the turpentine oil and water. See, if the turpentine oil is mass density is low, but optical density is high. Same time, the mass density of the water is high, optical density is low. Is that because of does not depend on the one to another of these two. It is a separate. But sometimes student has the confused between these two terms. And say one more most important term is what are the times to the a sun like a spherical. It means a 2 seconds. If the up to 2 seconds at the time of sunset or the sunrise, the rise the sun is like as a oval shape. It means a circular shape up to 2 minutes. That is also important point. This is the reflection of the light. In this reflection of the light, we have the learning about the first term is a refraction index. Second one is a lateral displacement, and one more thing is optical density and mass density and difference between them. And what are the example of the phenomena of the refraction surrounding us? This is example 1 and this is example 2. In this case, take as a incident light is parallel to the emergent light between these two medium is interface of the other medium. And second one is if the tank with fill with water, then in the of the tank of the water object is appearing like as a upward direction. It is the appearance point, it is the actual point. This one is the actual point. This is only appearance point. Appearance means when see the object is we have observed at this point, but actually object is there. These are the summarize of the refraction of the lights.